Barro, Kakla Northern Kahanatona. I know Highlands of Hero, North of Tono, and Pity Bashak Nightomi. Dinin Topika, Preposition at TV. Geoman Shikang article in videos Nampaga, Norok Musunganke, description box and link Urina, Norok Sekai, Link Hawi Tangi, Naimana. Ke Pulana Fadinani Lene, preposition above I was use Kalaja. Example in, to, into, between, among, within, at, after, on, upon, for, since, ago, till, until, by, with, beside, besides, of, from, before, echo. Over have words no preposition use like that. The full nine on bozaga use like that. Have a boba situation. The book is on the table or sataka bizapunka table ni sakawa. Zepur sakawa boha use like that. Apruno ngo on. Table example: my shop is on the main road. Or sataka palno punka main road ni sakawa. Amun babi or on use like that. Table Rahul will come on Monday. Omokai Zoranukti Rahul Monday final. On Monday, Ekdom Tik Monday one final Nanabohai. Above Nikobra meaning Shakawa. Example: the fan is above my head. Fan ka ani Bokroni Shakawa. Hypano Tajoya. The sky is above our head. The sky in ka sini Bokroni Shakawa. Hypano sini Tasoya. Below the cat is below the table. Below tolawa jepur use klajago pronoun below. Behind Aisuk is behind his mother. Aisuk bini amani uklogo. Behind kapun use klajago jepur uklogo ungo. Behind the meaning uklogo. In front buskan. The glass is in front of bottle. In front mane busakang glass angka bottle ne busakango. The glass is in front of the bottle. Next to the amoni yagulo ne jepur use like jawa pronongo. Rahul is next to the bimol. Rahul angka bimol ni yagulo mane bimol ni pore. Apun use like jawa next. Under the pencils are under the box. Under jepur pishingo pujogo apruno under use klajago. Jemon pencils songka box ni pishingo. The pencils are under the box. In we live in India. In arawo eba pishingo abahai yono in basically use klajago. We live in Agartala, sing Agartala war. Or in Gai war, Agartala war, Tongo. Kashmir is in north of India. Kashmir India ni north side of. Ram is in the house. Ramunka Nogo. Boro Nogo. Yoro in basically war, Sefru, and Nango. Afrono is like so. Giabani Avalon. Between example kesaro ini dogo hinja pura pun use klajago. Example: the table is between two chairs. Table engka kaini chairs ni kesaro. Between means kesaro. Zefru kuno object no kaini besu sajago. Afro no actually between use klajago. Kesangti is sitting between Kumpoi and Kumbar. Kesang tingka kumpui by kumbar ni kesaro. Between kesaro. Go with example nanya kanke. The pen is between two pencil box. Oras hazaka sikong engka pencil box kaini ni kesaro. Gejepur kaini be comparison kajaka puna between use like that. Kita fadi among gejepur kaitame sai kabang arogo use like that. Divide these pencils among the children. O pencils no sererong bishingo bagi ribati. Zepur kabang kai sajago apruno among use lajago. Divide these pencils among the children. Or correct is like kabang ma sererong. within hingangke je puro jora no khobui kuno ok sajago aprono within. We shall reach home within an hour. Sing 1 hour ni bisingo no nogo sobina nangnai bisingo no oro within ka bisingon. Ke after ka aprono use klajago je puro ulo rogan sajago. Example, we finished the work after 2 days. Sing apro asamong no pakya salini ulo. After 2 days mane salini ulo. Upon hingge sakawo abo hayogon use klajago. The dog jumping upon the table. Game ora sajaka dog mane soyingka table sakate bahari tongo. The dog jumping upon the table. Upon hingge sakate. Amani yagulo for. I have not seen him for 2 months. Again, ora sajaka angbono tal niromui nugyang balokha ba nugyang ni tongka abahai. I have not seen him for 2 months. 2 mas ni bagi pona nus nuglia ba nuglia abahai. Since engangke kasi zora romui. He has been working here since 2012. Bo o jagawo 2012 ni sini samo flight dongani. Okay. Since 2012 zora 2012 ni simi. Zepur simi asini simi usuzora samo flight dongo side dongo tangi dongo abahayo no since use flight jago. Ego ngai ego meaning ka sekang. I joined the school 7 years ago. Mane 7 years sekang no bo school join khaimani baklai kha. Ike o jaga rogono ego use klayo. Hano sabiwana I joined the school 7 years ago. Amoni yanglo till ba until je kono kaisi use klai manase. I shall have been going to school till 29th of January. Again, ang uskola thangi tongnai 29 January ni 29 tarik zora wahai. Okay, kunu kaisi zora bo thangi tongnai khai tongnai oba hai situation hangangke till use klai jago jemon ang phone simi sarik zora till evening ang porwi tongnai aba hai rogono till use klai jago. Beside hangangke Gana wa abahai loko use klai jago. Example, Ram is sitting beside Rohim. Ramang ka Rohim ni gana wa asuk bitong ba asuk sa. Gara beside ka gana wa beside Rohim. Beside sengka ke last as tongo abo hangka ke amno karibo. Jipru amno karibo ini sajago aprono use klai jago. Jemon Khumtoya knows English besides Kobrok. Khumtoya Kobrok na karibo English saimano. Besides Kobrok no karibo. Gor besides use klajaka karibo obahai situation. Khumtoya knows English besides Kobrok. Tab fadi buy. Buying English ni amon kaso word ob Kobrok by meaning wo same no ni mano. Again, example 9 ekesen. I strong killed the snake by stick. I strong latha by sip no butharka tambe butharka latha by stick kharo latha by stick by mane kobrok by no. I strong kill the snake by stick.